assets are subject to probate in the state of Indiana? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana probate lawyer, and I would like to answer that question for you because I recently received the question from somebody else. Many folks are confused about what types of assets really have to go through probate when somebody passes away. So one of the ways to look at it is if a person passes away and whatever they have, if it is only titled in their name, then that asset is a probatable asset. That asset has to be and dealt with in probate. You might not have to go to court, but it definitely is a probatable asset. There's other ways that it could potentially be transferred depending upon the value of the decedent's estate. So, example, Grandpa passed away. He owned a house in Michigan City or LaPorte or Maryville, and the house was in his name only. So, go back to the initial statement. A probatable asset is an asset that is titled in the decedent's name only at the time of the death. Grandpa's house only had his name on the deed. That will have to go through probate. Next example. Grandpa had a bank account at Centier Bank. The bank account was in Grandpa's name and his granddaughter's name. So, at the time of Grandpa's death, the bank account was in both his name and granddaughter's name, so it was not only titled in his name at the time of passing. That is a non-probatable asset. Third and final example. Grandpa had a life insurance policy. On the life insurance policy, he had a beneficiary, and it was going to his grandson. Because there was a beneficiary designation in the life insurance policy, it is a non-probatable asset. It is not an asset of the estate. So there you have it. The way that you determine whether something has to go into probate is who was the owner at the time of death. If it was only the decedent and there's no beneficiary designation, then that is an asset that has to be dealt with under Indiana probate laws. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.